This is resetting the oil maintenance light on a 2016 and up Toyota Tacoma. What you need to do first is turn the key on to the second position. Use the tab here to scroll through till you get to just the odometer. It's going to give you all this other stuff here, but it's just going to actually just stay the same. So turn off the key, and what you want to do is you want to hold this down. And when you hold that down, you're going to turn the key. So hold this down and turn the key on. You're going to get the dots on the screen, and those dots are going to be your reset, and your light's going to blink and turn off. Get all the zeros, and your oil light maintenance reset light has now been turned off. Start the vehicle, and it's all set. So you're all set and done with the oil change and resetting the maintenance light on your 2016 and up Toyota Tacoma. Thank you very much.